This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your driver's side mirror. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure your replacement mirror assembly is the correct one for your car model. Always work in a safe, well-lit area. Parking on a level surface and turning off the ignition are crucial first steps for safety. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Gently use your trim removal tool to pry off the small interior trim piece covering the mirror's base on the door panel. Once exposed, you'll see the electrical connector. Carefully disconnect it. Then, locate the 3 mounting bolts. Use your screwdriver to unscrew these bolts, holding onto the mirror so it doesn't fall. Take your time with each step to avoid damaging any components. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the 3 mounting holes on the door frame. Once aligned, insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts. Don't over-tighten them, just make them snug. Next, reconnect the electrical connector to the new mirror. Ensure it clicks firmly into place for a secure connection. This ensures all mirror functions will work correctly. Finally, let's test everything and finish up. Turn on your car and test all the mirror's functions, including adjustments and any heating elements. Make sure it moves smoothly in all directions. Once you've confirmed everything works, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim piece. Press it firmly until it snaps back into place. You've successfully replaced your driver's side mirror. For more financial wisdom, check out the link in the description for the simple path to wealth and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.